Hi, this is Carlos Cousins. The following SAT writing question seems to be testing whether or not thus is the correct word to use here. We got other words, similarly, nevertheless, and accordingly. And then also the tense here for to make. Making LAR is one of the most significant issues. And then this makes or are sure to become or have the potential to become. We're even talking about potentially different verbs here. So let's look at what each of these implies. So thus here would imply that the previous facts mentioned in the passage lead you to conclude, because of those things, that LARs are one of the most significant issues of the 21st century. This would make sense that they will be one of the most significant issues of the 21st century. The problem with this is making LARs one of the most significant issues implies that this is already the case. Well, we don't see a lot of LAR technology going around right now. It may be coming up soon, but it's not happening already. So that's what makes answer choice A a little bit strange. Similarly, this makes LARs, well, same argument here. Maybe a little bit more wrong because similarly implies that we're talked about um, something that maybe does two similar things and it's unclear what those are. And LARs are not already one of the most significant issues of the 21st century, something rarely talked about. Nevertheless, LARs are sure to become. This looks good. The only problem is the nevertheless here, because this implies that something here is going to be the opposite of the previous points discussed in the passage, or at least the previous sentence. But it looks like people here obviously think it's one of the most significant issues. People are already looking into the effects of it, and Human Rights Watch specifically is concerned about the risk they present to innocent civilians, the international law and politics, etc. So it looks like it's a significant issue for some people. So we wouldn't, for some people in the previous sentence actually, so we wouldn't use nevertheless at all. And then the last option then has to be correct. Let's see why. Accordingly, LARs have the potential to become, there we go. So they're not already one of the most significant issues of the 21st century. In the future, they have the potential to become one of those issues. I hope that helps with this problem, and happy prepping.